Hello students, let's see the topic, and the topic is about chromatin network. So this is a non-dividing phase of the cell. Chromatin remains untangled. So what is the chromatin if we are understanding? See, we are giving a rough diagram over here. This is a cell. Inside of the cell we are having nucleus. So in the nucleus we all know that there are chromatin materials are present. This is untangled. This is untangled. See, this is called chromatin. But what happens when the cell go through the phase of cell division, the chromatin, this is not untangled, this is called entangled. This is called entangled. See, this is called entangled. When the cell division has been occurred, the chromatin now gets untangled, and that stage is called as chromosome. That stage called as chromosome. In the chromosome, we can see its shape and size. So what happens? The chromatin threads remains untangled when it is non-dividing stage. But during cell division, it gets condensed, it is untangled, and the chromosome, the rod-shaped chromosome, can be seen. The chromosomes are the hereditary vehicles because it carries the genes. It carries the genes. And these genes help to transmit the variations or the hereditary information from whom? From parent to daughter. The functional segment of the DNA we call that gene. If this is a long thread of DNA, this much area will be called as gene. Now see, the genes carry the information for protein synthesis as well. It helps to control development of various characters. Genes are present on the chromosomes. Chromosomes pass from one generation to another generation through the gametes, and the genes are called as hereditary units because it carries the information. DNA worked as hereditary material, and the chromosomes are the vehicles of hereditary material. So all of things we are understanding what? That the chromosomes are the vehicle. What we are understanding? Chromosomes are the vehicle. DNA is the material, and gene is the segment. Gene is the segment. Okay. Gene will be having the main characters. One DNA having many genes, but one gene having one character, or you can call it as two characters, because one gene having two allele. One gene having what? How much allele? Two allele. So every allele contains one character. So that means one gene having one character. Now come and understand the functions of nucleus. All of us we know that nucleus helps to control all the activities of the cell. Right? This is the nucleus. This is the storehouse of the genes which having or containing genetic information that helps to pass from parent to daughter generation and helps to development and manifestation of the characters. Nucleus also helps in cell division. Before the cell division, the chromatin materials are entangled. We cannot identify its shape and size, but during the cell division, it's getting untangled and we can see rod-shaped chromosome. Nucleus help in the formation of ribosomes also and different types of RNA as well. Nucleus helps in the transmissions of characters from one generation to another generation by the what? By the fusions of gametes, because the gametes definitely have the nucleus. Now the ribosomes are formed in nucleus are the part of the nucleus. So as you can see, this area, these are the chromatin materials you can see. Okay. And this chromatin materials helps to carry the genetic informations. As we all know, the chromosomes are the vehicle for us. This three important point we need to know. Chromosomes are the vehicle for us. DNA is the genetic material for us, and gene carries the character. One gene having two alleles, so that means one gene carries two characters. So here we describe the nucleus function. The main function is to control all the activities of the cell and helps to pass the hereditary information from one generation to another generation, helps to formation of the protein. And this is the chromatin network that we understand here. Hope you student understood it. Thank you.